Hello, in this lecture I will talk about the structure of the visible universe. The Earth rotates around its axis and completes a full orbit in 24 hours or in one day. The Earth revolves around our Sun and completes a full orbit in 365 days or in 1 year. The solar system is a system of planets in which at least 8 planets and many other bodies orbit the Sun according to the relevant gravitational forces. Our Sun is a star, one of about 200 billion suns or stars that exist in our galaxy, the Milky Way. The solar system surrounds as one unit the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, and completes one round in 225 million years. Our Milky Way galaxy rotates in a spiral motion around its own rim and completes a full orbit in 650 million years. The Milky Way galaxy is part of a cluster of galaxies called the Local Group. It resides in neighborhood of a few dozen galaxies called the Local Group. They range in size from small dwarf galaxies to the large Andromeda galaxy. There are about 54 galaxies in the Local Group cluster. The Local Group Galaxies cluster, which is near one end of the local supercluster, rotates around its center at a speed of about 400 kilometers per hour. Our local galaxy group, known as Local Group, is gravitationally bound and consists of around 54 galaxies, including our Milky Way galaxy. The Local Group is part of a larger structure known as the Virgo supercluster, which is a collection of galaxy clusters and groups that are gravitationally bound to one another. As for the Milky Way galaxy, it is thought that it orbits around the center of the Virgo supercluster, although the exact nature of this orbit is still a topic of ongoing research. Some studies have suggested that the Milky Way may be on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy, which is another member of the Local Group cluster, but other studies have suggested that this collision will not occur for several billion years. The analysis also reveals other structures, including a separate supercluster called Perseus Theses and at a distance concentration named Shapley, which lies about 650 million light years away from Laniakea supercluster and towards which Laniakea is moving. What is the biggest thing in the universe? Scientists have created the first map of a colossal supercluster of galaxies known as Laniakea. You can see it in the picture in the yellow color. So Laniakea is the home of Earth's Milky Way galaxy and many other. The Milky Way galaxy shown in this picture is a red dot. So you can see here the Milky Way galaxy we can actually turn it like this. Here is the Milky Way galaxy in the red dot. So actually Laniakea supercluster consists of 100,000 galaxies, and actually it is 100,000 times more massive than the Milky Way galaxy, and it is 520 million light years long. That is to say, it takes light 520 million years to move across the entire structure of the Laniakea supercluster. Okay. Now, the biggest single entity that scientists have identified in the universe is a supercluster of galaxies called Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. So you can see here the Great Wall. The Great Wall is 10 billion light years long. That is to say, it takes light 10 billion years to move across the entire structure of that Great Wall, of this Great Wall. For perspective, the universe is only 13.8 billion years old, and this Great Wall is actually 10% in size of the observable universe. Okay, thank you very much.